Whatever happened to the promise of 3D printing? What was that, 10 years ago or more? This was supposed to be the wonderful device that we'd all have in our home, just like you have a paper printer. You'd have a 3D printer, and you make stuff like this. Whatever that is, you would make that. In other words, you could make your own stuff at home. You didn't need Amazon. You didn't need eBay. You didn't need Walmart. All you needed was a pile of plastic pellets and this printer. You could make anything you want. What happened to that promise? Today, nobody has a 3D printer except a hobby geek. Nobody wants a 3D printer. Why don't they want a 3D printer? Because it only prints in plastic. People are sick of plastic. Do you ever occur to you that maybe, hey, I'm going to a party tonight. I would like to have a diamond ring to wear to the party, but I'm going to make it on my 3D printer. It's going to be a plastic diamond ring. Nobody ever says that. Nobody wants it. People don't want any more plastic. We're surrounded with plastic. We're drowning in plastic. The cell phone is plastic. The computer is plastic. The TV is plastic. Cars are 90% plastic. We don't want any more plastic. And not only that, people don't like plastic. Plastic represents petroleum, oil wells, Siberian pipelines spewing oil at the other end. We hate oil. We love everything solar. We love wind turbines. You don't want any more plastic. So that's what happened to the 3D printer. People don't want the 3D printer because they don't want any more plastic in their lives.